Power Go, a brand new innovation that comes with the best charging technologies, offering an advanced charging experience. We've all been there. Our mobile device losing life just when you need it the most. Like when you want to take a photo when we travel, but our phone is out of battery. Or when you're rushing to a client meeting and working on the last-minute presentation modification. Your computer shows only 1% power remains. The next thing you will love is VogDUO Power Go. We have developed a leading-edge new power bank to make your life easier. For a fast charge of up to 18 watts, there's only Power Go by VogDUO. Synonymous with style and quality, VogDUO has been a trusted name in creating innovative and stylish charging solutions. You can expect the same with Power Go as it expertly balances portability and capacity. Incredibly powerful at 10,000 milliamps, it offers faster charging and recharging, up to 2 times a standard power bank. It features an integrated USB-C port so you can fast charge the latest devices. But it also has a USB-A port for your older devices so they can get their juice too, even when there isn't an outlet in sight. That means getting from 0 to 100% in as little as 2 hours. Perfect for people with absolutely no time to waste. The conventional 5 to 10 watts is no longer enough in this tech-savvy world. For a fast charge of up to 18 watts, there's only Power Go by VogDUO. Synonymous with style and quality, VogDUO has been a trusted name in creating innovative and stylish charging solutions. It has smart LED indicators. Single LED means working at full recharging speed, and 2 LEDs means its working output is at full speed via power delivery technology. It also has built-in safety features to ensure that you and your devices stay in tip-top shape. No overheating, overcharging, and excessive currents. Power Go is compatible with iPhone X and most iPhone and Android series. Go to school, attending meetings, go hiking, and have it with you even while working in a coffee shop. Power Go is your best companion. Power Go is a perfect companion for all of your devices and equipments. Whether for professional work or relaxing travels, you can power anything, anywhere, and your devices needs to stay powered up at all times. Running out of power in the middle of your task is not an option. That's why we designed this stylish and powerful power bank. Whether you go for rose gold or black, the Power Go is designed to be a stylish, durable, and safe accessory. Whichever one you choose, what you get is a powerful new technology that delivers a faster charge and a happier life. Power Go is the last power solution you will ever need.